Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now we're going to look at rule number 3, which is the Dammah sound. Rule number 1 was Fatha, rule number 2 was Kasra, and rule number 3 is Dammah. As you can see, it's a comma sign or a very similar sign above the letter. Now, 3 rules again to be followed to produce this sound. It's short, round your lips, direction of the sound is in the middle. By short sound, it is meant that there should be absolutely no lengthening at all. Lu, ju, pu. All letters producing this sound should be read quickly together. Once again, remember, this is a writing and reading aloud together lesson. Now let's practice the letters. Su, ju, ku, hu, wu, nu, ru, tu, mu, lu, shu, du, gu, fu, bu, tu, khu, du, zu, fu, vu, su, yu, u, hu, zu, ku, fu, tu. Ju, su, wu, lu, mu, ku, fu, tu, gu, yu, hu, fu, hu, nu, ku, hu, su. Ru, tu, shu, su, du, wu, tu, ku, khu, lu, du, bu. Now let's practice the words. Ju, ru, juru, ru, su, rusu, shu, hu, shuhu, hu, mu, humu, zu, ru, zuru, shu, ru, shuru, ku, ru, kuru, su, ru, suru, hu, du, hudu, bu, hu, buhu, ru, ju, ruju, ku, lu, kulu, bu, du, budu, yu, nu, yunu, tu, mu, tumu, u, du, udu, su, fu, sufu, hu, lu, hulu, ru, ju, ruju, u, mu, umu, fu, lu, fu'ulu, ru, su, lu, rusulu, su, hu, fu, suhufu, hu, mu, ru, umuru, hu, lu, bu, hulubu, fu, lu, thu, thuluthu, ju, su, lu, jusulu, wu, ru, du, ru, wuduru, qutubu, qutubu, surulu, surulu. Now we're going to read a mixture of Fatha, Kasra, and Dhamma together. Rahuba, rahuba, qudiya, qudiya, kabura, kabura, hasabu, hasabu, kutiba, kutiba, mathalu, mathalu, huluma, huluma, suwara, suwara, basaru, basaru, ضرب ضرب خلق خلق جمع جمع قمر قمر همز همز نعيد نعد غضب غضب يهب يهب أحد أحد عمرك عمرك أخذه أخذه سلف سلف رسل رسل إبلي إبلي غنم غنم لعب لعب خشي خشي خلق خلق بصر بصر قمر قمر كتب كتب جمع جمع أحد أحد غضب غضب همز همز ضرب ضرب بلغت بلغت أخذه أخذه كلمة كلمة عمرك عمرك فجرة فجوة. Now you would have noticed by now that while writing Arabic, words, most letters are joined together while some are not. And those letters are Alif, Dal, Dal, Ra, Za, and Waw. These are the letters that do not join with letters that come after it. So these 6 letters They can join before but not after. So whenever these letters are there in place in a word, the following letters will be disjointed. So let's look at them now. Ahadu, ahadu. So you can see because of the alif, there is a break after ha and du. Darasa, darasa. Because of the dal, there is a gap after dal. Ra is another one of those letters. There is a gap after ra as well. Dhahaba, dhahaba. Rusulu, rusulu. Zumara, zumara. So you can notice that all these letters, alif, dal, dal, ra, za, and waw, there is a gap afterwards, okay, because they do not join with the following letters. Waladi, waladi. Fajaratu, fajaratu. Akhadahu, akhadahu. Azifati, azifati. Bibadanika, bibadanika.